Children, hello, fine, safe at home? Yes. Which topic are we discussing now? Yes, Microsoft PowerPoint, which is mainly used for presenting. Okay? Yes. And tell me, what are the topics we discussed in last 3 videos related to the PowerPoint? Yes, we learned different layout styles and different ways of starting a presentation and the components of the window. And now in this video we are going to discuss and learn how we can apply the themes even after taking a blank presentation, and after applying a themes, what are the formatting we can do for that particular theme or a background color for the slide. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Before beginning our lesson, we'll just have a small fun video. We'll watch that and then we'll continue the lesson. Okay? Yes. Now let us start how to start the PowerPoint. The first option, you need to click on the start button and then choose for the PowerPoint. Microsoft Office, or directly if your PowerPoint is pinned in your start button, you can directly click on the PowerPoint. Once if you get this window in the beginning, if you want to customize our own presentation template, so we can choose the blank presentation, or otherwise if I want to use already predefined themes or the templates to make my presentation more attractive and interesting, then I can go for the more themes and I can choose based on a type of a presentation I want to prepare. If I want to choose this, I'll just select this and then I'll click on create. Okay, this is the one way of opening a presentation. Or even after taking a blank presentation also, I can change the theme. So let's see how we can do that. First click on file and then choose blank presentation. So blank presentation doesn't contain any predefined designs or the themes. I can just click on the design tab on the top and it displays a list of themes available for my computer and I can choose one among this. So whichever the theme I like it, I can just place my mouse pointer over there and it will be shows the preview and then I can choose it. So this is a theme I just want. After choosing a theme, I just want to change the color variations. That also can be done under the design tab. So I can just click on the colors and I can just see what is the color variations and how I want my presentations. Fine, this is how I can apply a theme by selecting a blank presentation. Okay, and now go to the home tab, and if I want to add few more new slides to the presentation, I need to click on new slide button. If I click on the new slide button, the same type of a slide will be added. Or if I want to choose a layout, what is mean by a layout? Means the pattern, how the slide should appear, what are the things should contain on a slide. For example, if I want a slide with a only text, or I want a slide with image and as well as the text, or if I want my slide with a table. So those are comes under the layout. How I want my slide should appear, that I can select by clicking on a arrow. Can you just see a small triangle symbol? Yes. These are all the different layout styles for my theme where I can choose one among them. Okay, in this I can just choose any one based on what type of a text I want to type. I just want content with a caption. So here I can add either a image, graph, whatever. And I can just write about it here. I can write a title or I can give a small description about this image here. This is how I can just choose a different layouts for my presentation. So as many slides as want, I can just keep on adding it. Okay, the shortcut key to select a new slide. What is the shortcut key? Yes, it is Control plus M. What is the shortcut key to select the new slide? Control plus M. Very good. So let's try once. Control M. So automatically new slide is added to the presentation. And now I'll just write a topic heading here. Tell me what topic we are going to do it now. We are going to take a topic and I'll write a topic name as Save Trees. And you can give a title like prepared by. You can write here as done by and I'll write my name. Okay, this is my thing. And here if I want to insert a picture related to a tree and I want to write something about it, then also I can insert the picture. Yes, if the picture is already saved in your computer, you can just choose this. Or if you want to go with the online pictures, we can just click on online pictures. And by default, it will open the Bing image search. Which search engine it will open? The Microsoft Bing. Okay, now I'll type about trees. I want an image related to the trees. So any one image, whichever I like or you want, you just select the image and keep it there. Insert. So automatically the image will be inserted in this space. I'll again write as save trees. And you can type the text about the trees. The trees are most useful and it gives us oxygen. Whatever the text you want to type it, you please type it. And keep adding slides, as many slides as you want. So this is the topic for you to prepare. So will you do that? Yes, save trees is your topic and minimum I want 6 slides and write whatever the text you feel like to write about it. Okay, and once the presentation is created and if I want to run this presentation as a slideshow, what should I do? To run as a slideshow, first I need to click on the slideshow tab and then under this I have two different options whether I want to start my presentation from the current slide, means with the slide I have selected, or I want to start my presentation from the beginning of the slide. So from the beginning it starts. Okay, and if I want to move to the next slide, I need to click on the arrow key or the space bar key. And if I want to come out from the presentation, I need to click on the which key? Escape key, which is there on the top left corner of your keyboard. So press the escape key to come out from the presentation, and to start the presentation, click on the slideshow and then choose from the beginning. And a shortcut key to start the presentation is directly you can press the function key F5 on the keyboard. Can you just see the function key F5? Yes, you can just press the F5 and then also you can start the presentation. So now we learned how to change the theme for a blank presentation and how to add a new slide and how to insert the picture and how to run a slideshow. So I hope these 4 topics are clear for you. What are the things? How to apply a theme, how to insert the image, and how to add a new slide, and how to run the presentation. And now we move on how we can change a background color for the slide, for a specific slide. So for example, for the third slide, I just want to change a background color. Okay, I need to click on Design tab. Once if I click on the Design tab, can you just see the option called Format Background? Yes, we need to click on that, and then you can just choose how you want a background should be. A solid color, solid means a completely one single color, or a gradient fill. What is meant by a gradient fill? Gradient fill is nothing but mixing of 2 or more colors. Okay, how you want that effect. And then picture or with the texture or certain pattern, whatever the format you want, we need to select that. If I want a solid fill, I'll just click on solid fill, and then here you'll get a option for which color you want. A solid fill, which color if I want a light green, I can just go with that. And then transparency, how transparent the color should be. It should be a light or a dark. I can just change the transparency. Can you see? When I didn't select any transparency, it is very dark. And if I increase the transparency, it will become a lighter. So I can just change the variations in the color even after filling a solid fill. And let's see now how we can do the gradient fill. Gradient fill is a mixture of 2 or more colors, as I said. Okay, so now how we can take those 2 or more colors? It will have a color scale. We call this as a gradient color scale. And in the beginning, first you place your mouse pointer and then choose the color. The first color what you want, I just want a green. And then can you see the 4 bars? If you want a 4 combinations, you can just choose each bar with one color, or if you want only with the 2 combination, you can just overlap all these bars and then you choose the final color. The final color green with the combination, I just want to go with light orange. Yes. Or if I want one more color, I'll just click this bar and I'll just drag it if I want 3 colors to be applied. So this is called a gradient fill. So is it clear? So first color, first you need to click on the first bar and then choose the color, and then second bar, and then I can just choose it. And this is a linear. What is mean by a linear? A straight line. Okay, linear is nothing but a straight line. So gradient, the different colors will be applied a line by line. So first green and then yellow and then this color. So it's applying a linear, but I don't want in a linear fashion. I just want it in a different way. Then I need to choose the type. Radial, it's nothing but from one corner to the another, like a circle form. Okay, it starts the center here and then one side you are getting it. And in a rectangular. See, it's a rectangle. So first green and then yellow and then a peach color. Okay, and then if I want a path, like in the center it is zooming out. So the different types of fillings I can just choose, and different colors also I can choose, and different type also I can choose in the gradient fill. And if I want this kind of a gradient fill to be applied to all the cells, then I need to click on apply all. Or if I want each slide with a different pattern, then no need to click on apply to all. So only that particular selected slide will go with this gradient fill. So for the other slide, if I want to do some other different style, then I can do it. So now we'll try with the pattern fill. So click on this, and now I just want a different patterns, the lines. And in the line also you can just change the foreground and as well as the background color. So this is my foreground color. Or like a boxes or like a dots, whatever. I can just choose the pattern however I want. And if I want to change the background color, then also I can change the background color with this yellow and purple on top of it. With the boxes I can go. So this is the pattern fill. Okay, is this clear, children? And picture or a texture. So predefined textures will be available, and I can just choose whatever the texture I want to fill. You can just click on the texture here and you can just choose how you want. It will be like your tiles, different tiles, textures. I can just choose this. So each slide, if you want a unique appearance, means a different look, then you can just keep changing the background color for each and every slide. With the same theme, I am not changing a theme here, children. The theme is same. See, can you just see here? The theme is same, but only a background I am just changing. Okay. Yes, and themes also we can change. That I'll show you how. Okay, for example, if I want to change a theme also for the second slide, I'll just select this slide and I just want to change a theme for only that particular slide. Then I can just select and then right click. Don't click directly. Once if you left click, it will apply to all other slides. And if I want to apply this particular theme only for the second slide, then I need to right click the mouse button and you choose the option called apply to the selected slide. So only the selected slide the theme will change. So please remember there is a difference in changing a theme as well as formatting the background color. So I hope this is clear. Under the design tab, format background, I can just change a background appearance of a slide with the same theme. But when in the design, if I change the theme, the entire theme will change for that particular slide. I can change either a theme or even I can change the background color. So I hope this is clear, and in the next video we are going to learn few more options in PowerPoint and how we can give animations and transition effects to the slide. Okay children, until that your project is you need to do a presentation on the topic called Save Trees, a minimum with 6 slides. I hope you all do it. Good. Great. Until that, take care and bye children.